In this video, we explore some answers to this question: what is the best way to learn internet marketing? Well, make sure you stay tuned because I am going to walk you through some steps and give you some powerful strategies which can help you learn internet marketing even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a simple action plan to help you get started with internet marketing. So pay attention and keep watching because this might be the most important video that you see this week. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you do not miss any new videos. Please make sure you give the video a like because that tells me you find these videos useful and it also motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much. Okay, let's get into the tutorial. So to begin with, let me tell you what digital marketing is. Have you ever bought a product because your favorite social media influencer recommended it? Or have you ever contemplated purchasing an item only to see an ad for it in the moment you boot up your computer or check your email? If you're nodding, I feel you. But do you know why that happens? When one markets and promotes products and brands via the internet or through various digital channels to reach out and connect with customers, it is known as digital marketing. In digital marketing, communication occurs through social media or web-based advertising, email, multimedia, and push notifications. Today, organizations regard digital marketing as a modern method of approaching customers and better understanding their behavior. Within the digital marketing field, there are various specialization areas. Let me tell you about some of them. Number 1, search engine optimization, which is a SEO specialist. Number 2, search engine marketer. Number 3, social media marketing specialist. Number 4, email marketing manager. And number 5, content or copywriter. Let me now give you some steps and strategies to follow to help you learn internet marketing. Number 1, enroll in an online course. Signing up for an online digital marketing course is one of the best ways to learn according to the Emeritus Impact Survey. Let me tell you about some of the benefits you can gain from taking an online course. First, it will expand your knowledge of the field. Completing an online course will provide you with a certificate to add credibility to your portfolio. It can also prove your skill and dedication when applying for jobs within the field or a specialist area that you wish to work in with internet marketing. A simple example could be social media marketing consulting. Here is the next strategy: learn from the experts in internet marketing. Reading will always remain one of the best ways to widen your horizon in any subject. Let me now tell you some of the best digital marketing books for those who wish to go beyond the basics. Here we go. Number 1, New Rules for Marketing and PR by David Meerman Scott. Number 2, The Art of SEO by Eric Enge and Stephen Spencer. And number 3, See You on the Internet: Building Your Small Business with Digital Marketing by Avery Swartz. Let me give you the next strategy. Subscribe to and read leading industry blogs. Digital marketing is a dynamically evolving field and hence your knowledge faces the risk of becoming obsolete very quickly. To stay on top of things, I suggest you have a good look at some of the leading blogs for internet marketing and social media marketing on the net. Let me now tell you some of the best internet marketing blogs that can help you. Here we go. Number 1 is Moz.com. If you'd like to learn more about search engine optimization, SEO, check out the Moz blog, an excellent resource for cutting-edge information on SEO techniques and trends. Moz brings simplicity and transparency to the rather complex SEO field. Moz provides an SEO toolkit for marketers, offering comprehensive guides, actionable strategies, and specialized insights from industry experts. Moz is a great all-purpose SEO blog that goes beyond the basics, diving into niche areas such as advanced link building, local SEO, interpreting analytics, and SEO return on investment. Number 2 is HubSpot Marketing. HubSpot Marketing is undeniably one of the leading digital marketing blogs that specializes in inbound marketing. Covering an extensive array of topics from marketing basics to in-depth information on content strategy and beyond, HubSpot Marketing is a one-stop shop for anyone seeking to build their marketing strategy and master inbound marketing. This tactical resource provides approachable how-tos, including free templates, tutorials, and definitive guides. HubSpot Marketing publishes new blog posts frequently, and each post includes a helpful estimated reading time. If at any point you want to advance your marketing skills and you want step-by-step training with experts to learn and understand internet marketing, I highly recommend you click the link under the video now and check out the Internet Business School, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. It will give you all of the digital marketing skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you're interested in that, which I hope you are, click the link in the description box under the video and take a look. So let's now get back to those tips. Here we go. Number 3, Neil Patel. Notable entrepreneur and online influencer, Neil Patel's blog serves as a great general marketing resource and functional model for those seeking to build their own marketing blog. Patel shares his experiential knowledge of digital marketing best practices and provides valuable resources including how-to guides, marketing tools, and explainers for marketers of all expertise levels. He also covers topics like how to optimize landing pages, grow SEO traffic, and execute conversion rate optimization. Perhaps the best feature of this blog includes Patel's liberal use of examples and visuals, as well as his active engagement with his readership. Number 4 is Search Engine Land. Search Engine Land, SEL, is a must-read for marketers who want the latest marketing technology news. Offering daily coverage and updated multiple times per day, SEL provides a steady stream of information for all aspects of marketing technology. SEL focuses on the latest developments in digital marketing and advertising technology, including SEO, search engine marketing, which is SEM, and pay-per-click, which is PPC, all while featuring other industry news and research. Number 5 is Demand Gen Report. Here to keep your finger on the pulse of what's happening in the B2B marketing world, Demand Gen Report, DGR, explores industry events, technologies, and trending topics. DGR delivers expert analysis and insight into areas like demand generation, content marketing, and account-based marketing, ABM, while conducting exclusive research and supplying a long list of featured resources. Number 6 is Marketing Charts. While not necessarily a blog per se, Marketing Charts offers a comprehensive database of marketing data analysis and visualization. With articles published daily, this niche hub produces clear, straightforward charts accompanied with concise analysis on a variety of online and offline marketing topics. Marketing Charts offers marketers and decision makers trusted data and the latest marketing and media trends. Number 7, Content Marketing Institute. Perfect for marketers looking to improve their content marketing skills, the Content Marketing Institute, CMI, presents an extensive library dedicated to all things content marketing, thoroughly covering the areas of content operations, creation, distribution, optimization, and strategy, in addition to offering online education, consulting, and training. CMI updates every weekday to share the latest content marketing news and events. Number 8, CMS Wire. For a great all-round perspective on digital marketing, look no farther than CMS Wire. The blog caters to software buyers, vendors, analysts, and practitioners and focuses on the digital customer experience, digital workplace, and trending big data and information management practices. Let me give you the next strategy. Create your own blog. Creating your own blog is a fun way of learning about digital marketing. In addition, it will provide you with the practical experience you need to show on your resume. While creating and working on your blog, you will learn some of the most crucial aspects of digital marketing, like SEO and social media marketing. The blog you create does not need to be about digital marketing. It can be about anything you are passionate about. The idea is to use digital marketing tools and strategies to create and promote the blog. A blog is a website consisting of content usually focused on a specific topic that you regularly update. Unlike news outlets and other publications, blogs tend to take on a personal tone, which helps them connect more deeply with their audiences. People start their own blogs for all kinds of reasons. Let me tell you about some of them. Here we go. To share opinions, passions, or glimpses into their lives. To teach others what they know. To build an email list. To develop their personal brand as an expert. And to make money online. Or a combination of any of all of these things. For these reasons, blogging can be incredibly fulfilling, especially when complete strangers start consuming your content, but it's also a commitment. Whether you publish daily, weekly, or monthly, it's important to be as consistent as possible, not just in how often you publish, but also in the type of content that you publish. There's no shortage of content on the web. It may seem hard to stand out, but there are two ways you can compete: by choosing a specific niche to focus on and by creating content that has something about it that readers can't easily find elsewhere. It's important to choose a niche that is an inch wide but a mile deep. This will ensure you can consistently create content without running out of ideas and influence your blog name. You'll also need to ensure that your chosen niche attracts an audience that aligns with your blog monetization strategy. Let me give you another strategy. Listen to podcasts. Podcasts are neat pieces of content that fit right into our daily schedules. It's all on audio, so you can plug it in while you work out or travel. There's so much learning that can be done through podcasts because rich content is being shared by subject matter experts. Let me now tell you some of the best digital marketing podcasts which I recommend you listen to. Here we go. Number 1, Social Pros Podcast. Number 2, Social Media Marketing with Michael Stelzner. Number 3, Akimbo by Seth Godin. Number 4, The Business of Digital by Matt Selitala and Dave Rona. Number 5, The Old Marketing by the Content Marketing Institute. Number 6, Marketing School by Neil Patel. Number 7, Agents of Change by Rich Brooks. Number 8, Gold Digger by Jenna Kutcher. 9, Adweek Metaverse Marketing by Kathy Hack. And number 10, Everyone Hates Marketers by Louise Grenier. Let me ask you a question. Which tip from this video are you going to use first? Leave a comment under the video and let me know. So all the things that I have covered in this tutorial will help you learn internet marketing. If you want to advance your online marketing skills and you want step-by-step training with experts, click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. It will give you all the digital marketing skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you're interested in that, which I hope you are, click the link in the description box under the video and take a look. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.